This is a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a keyless entry system, a security system, a passenger side vanity mirror, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, dual cargo area lights, and satellite radio. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Tomball Ford is located at 22702 Tomball Parkway in Tomball. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.